Hey guys, this is Brianna with B.A.C.K, and I just wanted to show you guys all of our printable products and how I use them. So I use them on my iPad, which if you have an iPad and you like to do that, you can do as well. I use the app Goodread. You can use it as a notebook and upload your own PDFs and such, so these could be easily uploaded to there, or you can use Procreate. But if you don't have an iPad or don't want to use a tablet, you can easily get these printed off in color or black and white. So for the monthly planner, if you're not sure how to use it, it comes with a how-to to get you started. And then the first page is a self-reflection sheet where you look back on what you did the previous month and see how you can get better the next month. So I'm doing this in March, but this is for last month, so this is what I was doing in February. And then for March, we have our bills and expenses. Wrote down income, all the expenses, and something that I could change and take away is not impulse buy, so I can put more in my savings and my emergency fund. And my goal that I had for this month is walk at least 4 times a week. And I don't have too many steps for this goal, but you can have multiple goals and then add multiple steps on the bottom. And then your notes page, I just put what appointments I had this month. Then also there's a little calendar where you can put the days of when your bills are due, which is what I did. So I just put when my car was due, when I had to take my car in, when I had to pay for Spotify. It's just to keep you on track. And then after our planner pages, we just have our regular pages. This one is the habit tracker. So the main habit I'm tracking is walking, but I also want to start tracking maybe yoga or stretching. And then a gratitude journal, because it's good to stay positive. It kind of helps you keep track of your journey. So you talk about what your affirmation is today, 3 things you're grateful for, some good things that happen, and just a little note page, because we can all use some little reminders. And also, if you're not a monthly planner type of person, we also have a daily planner that you can use every day. So mine today is to record this video and record 2 other videos, and you can put your appointments if there's something that you really need to get done today, like nothing else is important besides this. That's why we have the urgent section. And if you are a teenager or kid with an allowance, we also have an allowance tracker, which I made a video of by itself if you want to check that out. But yeah, it'll help you keep your allowance in check and start on those healthy spending habits. So that is it for the printable pages we have on our vault. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy, and don't be afraid to let me know if you have any questions or comments. Our email is always open at badasscashcoach@gmail.com. So go ahead and give us a message, and thank you guys so much, and don't forget that we got your back.